Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making one of my favorite recipes. It is a pineapple bowl with chicken and salmon teriyaki. So I also put some rice and black beans in there. So as you saw in the first part of the video, I showed you guys all the ingredients that I'm using. You can also make your own teriyaki sauce if you want, but we like the P.F. Chang's one, so we usually buy that for this recipe or a lot of our other teriyaki recipes. You can also make a sort of low carb version if you have a swerve sweetener, like the granulated one that you want to use instead of the brown sugar. And I think there's also some brown sugar substitutes that are low carb as well. So if I find any, I will link them down below in the description box for you. Along with the ingredient list down below, I will also include all the instructions for how to make this, and honestly it's super customizable. I mean, you can use different types of protein. You could do like a beef teriyaki, which isn't very common but it's still really good. You could do like all veggies, or add veggies in general into this, maybe cauliflower rice instead of basmati rice. Yeah, make it your own, have fun with it, and let's go ahead and make it. So my oven's preheating to 400 degrees, and while my pan with the avocado oil is at medium-high heat, preheating for the chicken breast, I'm going to cover the salmon with teriyaki sauce, and then I'm going to put it in the oven. So now I'm going to add the chicken in this pan that I've preheated, and I'm going to put the teriyaki sauce on top. So while the chicken is simmering and the salmon is still cooking in the oven, I'm going to make some basmati rice. And I always make this kind of rice for this recipe. I really like it a lot. So I'm going to go do that. So now the rice and chicken have been set aside because they're all done. I'm going to make some black beans. Alright, so I'm going to heat these up and then we'll start constructing the pineapple bowl. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. So I went ahead and mixed soy sauce and butter into the rice, and I'm just going to scoop some into the bowls. Okay, put a little bit more on top, still creating the indentation. Okay, now I'm going to add some chicken. Okay, so I had 2 pieces of salmon, but I'm actually going to cut one of them in half. Place it on top. And then I'm going to take 1/4 of a cup, measuring cup, and not fill it up all the way, just a little bit at a time, so that way it's not too much. Okay, then I'm gonna take this, set it like that. This is my favorite, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. So if you've never made these before, they're super fun. Obviously a little bit time consuming, but I definitely think it's worth it. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Again, like I said, don't be afraid to make it your own. Add veggies or substitute for rice or whatever you want, because it's amazing. If you guys ever have any video ideas for me, leave them down in the comments below. Also, let me know how you like this video, and let me know if you made the recipe and what you think about it. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Bye!